Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Today you can see that we have the Tutankhamun Discovery coin to show you. This is a 2-ounce silver proof coin and it is gilded in there for you. Produced by the lovely Perth Mint, Australia. You can see there the box does have some clues on there. It's also a little bit gilded, isn't it? Some gold detail on the side there, and you'll notice that it is for the 100th anniversary of the discovery of Tutankhamun. So let's open up this box so we can discover this coin. Once again, you'll see Perth Mint, Australia there. This is their standard box. You've got the perspex there on the top. A little bit tricky not to get the reflection in this particular video, but you can see inside there the certificate does get housed in there and also produces some decoration. Very nice. So let's get into it. Here is the certificate of authenticity. Once again, we've got all of the information that was already on the box. Tutankhamun 100th anniversary of discovery, and here we have all of the technical specifications of the coin for you. So you'll see that it is a 2-ounce coin, 2,000 pieces produced for this coin, a very, very attractive mintage to mark this very special occasion. Inside the booklet we have more information here. I think it's really nice when they sort of complete the product, especially a product such as this, with some extra information. You'll see there is a bit more information about his name, and some of these symbols we will see reflected on the coin as well. So this is a very nice little booklet for anyone wanting to find out more about this coin and more about the history of Tutankhamun in general. Very nice. A lot of info there for you. Now this definitely is one of the world's most famous excavations from Egypt. Has to be, definitely. The final resting place of the ancient Egyptian king. Very exciting to have found that. And now let's get into it here. There's our little cushion from the Perth Mint, lovely. And here we go. So once again, this is a 2-ounce silver coin and it is gilded. You've got that lovely gold plating there around the edge, and doesn't that look spectacular? Very, very nice. So Tutankhamun, 100 years. That lovely iconic blue there. Very, very nice. The colouring on this coin is very bright. It's been done very nicely, but the rim on that coin, that lovely gold plating, is spectacular. And of course, this is produced by the Perth Mint for the country of Tuvalu. So we have Queen Elizabeth II on there. Let's see if we can get a closer look at this coin. Try and get it out of the capsule. Easy does it. Keep going. Almost there. There we go. Excellent. Oh. The reflection straight away. Gosh, that makes a difference. I mean, you can see it's a lovely coin inside, but just looking at the craftsmanship here without that capsule, the colour really does bounce off, but it's just the gold there. So wonderful to get that sort of shine and gleam from the metal itself in the coin, the silver. And the combination of the silver and gold for this particular piece has been done really, really nicely. Definitely does go with the theme of the coin. Just fantastic. So there we go again. There's Queen Elizabeth II. As I said before, country of Tuvalu, and this particular coin has a face value of $2. And you'll see there again, 2-ounce, 4.9 silver. And of course, it is produced in 2022. Very nice. Lovely detailing on Queen Elizabeth II there. Very good. That is, of course, Jodie Clark's effigy of the Queen. And once again, to our reverse, just stunning. Just stunning when you get that sort of silver gold contrast. Wonderful. Looks so nice. Excellent. Gotta love this death mask. Very decorative piece. And of course, one of the most significant finds from the tomb. Just lovely.